Dreaming of a fit, healthy body in 2024? What if I told you that switching to a plant-based diet could be the game changer you need? Stick around because I'm about to show you how going plant-based can help you achieve your dream body this year. Hey, everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button to join our community and stay updated with all the latest health tips. Today, we're diving into how a plant-based diet can help you get your dream body in 2024. From burning fat to building muscle, this is your ultimate guide to transforming your physique with plants. Let's get into it. Let's face it, achieving your dream body can be challenging. Many of us struggle with finding the right diet that delivers results without feeling like a never-ending battle. High-calorie diets and excessive processed foods can hinder your progress, leaving you feeling frustrated and stuck. But here's the good news, a plant-based diet can offer a fresh start and a new approach to reaching your fitness goals. So, how exactly can a plant-based diet help you get your dream body? First off, let's talk about weight management. Plant-based foods like vegetables, fruits, and whole grains are naturally low in calories but high in essential nutrients. This helps you stay full longer without consuming excess calories, making it easier to shed unwanted fat and maintain a lean physique. Next up is muscle building. Many plant-based foods are rich in protein and essential amino acids. Think legumes, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. These foods can help you build and repair muscle tissue, crucial for toning and defining your body. Plus, the high fiber content in plant-based foods supports better digestion and nutrient absorption, which enhances your overall fitness results. And let's not overlook energy levels. A plant-based diet is packed with vitamins and minerals that boost your energy and improve your workout performance. This means you'll have the stamina to push through challenging workouts and stay active, supporting your journey to a fitter, healthier body. The key takeaway here is that a plant-based diet provides the tools you need to reach your fitness goals efficiently. With lower calorie density, high protein options, and enhanced energy, you're setting yourself up for success in achieving your dream body. Imagine the feeling of hitting your goals and feeling healthier and more vibrant than ever before. To wrap it up, adopting a plant-based diet in 2024 can be your secret weapon for getting the body you've always wanted. By focusing on nutrient-rich, low-calorie foods, building muscle with plant-based proteins, and boosting your energy, you're on the path to success. It's time to embrace the power of plants and transform your body this year. I want to hear from you. Are you ready to try a plant-based diet for your fitness goals? Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. And don't forget to check out the link in the description for my exclusive meal plans and workout tips to get you started. Hit that like button, subscribe for more health and fitness content, and ring the bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.